Hi, my name is Ann and I'm excited. I just got my Bellycrate box, so let's see what's inside. Oh, a nice little handout explaining what's going on. Oh, here's my beautiful flower that I got, handmade by the Bellycrate girls. This is very pretty. I asked for purple and that's what I got. Let's see. We got some nice bindies. I don't actually have any of these right now, so that is perfect. Awesome. Ooh, and a gorgeous cuff. Oh my goodness. I have been looking to have something more like this. So it's a beautiful silver cuff. Very, very nice. Let's see. What is this? This looks like gift wrap. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty. I do love to use black in some of my costumes, and it has a nice green accent, so that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we also have, it looks like, it says it's a sari silk wrap skirt. Oh my goodness, very beautiful. Very beautiful. What I love about things like this is you can use it as a skirt, just like they said, or sometimes I'll use this as a cover-up. Wrap it around myself, just like this, and it'll be a nice cover-up for when you're dancing and need to cover up. So this is very awesome. Also got a nice little pendant with the Bellycrate logo. So thank you so much, Bellycrate. I love it, and I can't wait to see what's next.